on, Brandon. You're going to be telling your wife this someday. You're going to be telling your wife this someday. What are you going to tell her what you're getting ready to do?
30 seconds.
Wait, let's see what the degrees is first. Brandon's going to jump in the pool for 10 minutes, and it is cold outside. And it is 60 degrees. What if this water is ice cold, and he's going to jump in, and he's got to stay in the pool for 10 minutes for $1 a minute. That's $10.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, God. Is it cold, Brandon?
6 minutes.
Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Look at Brandon's face is
Go all the way under.
Oh. He has 2 minutes to go under.
It's not that bad.
Not now.
Come on, Brandon, swim. Head under.
Look at him, he's already shivering.
Oh, jeez.
You want out?
Do I get this whole thing?
Get out, you owe us $10.
We'll give you $1. We'll give you Oh yeah, that would be good.
No, you
Yeah,
can't.
you have to.
Yeah, if you get out, you owe us $10. No.
Okay, for every minute you stay in it,
9
I'll
minutes
give you $1.
9 minutes left. No, I'm
They'll get used to it staying in 2 hours.
Yeah.
What?
He probably would.
That means that as long as I want to stay here, I'm going in. Every time I
Eating under shivering.
Brandon was already shaking.
Look at his arm.
Poor Brandon. Is this child abuse or what? Come on, Brandon. You gotta dive off. You gotta get out. You can get out and dive off the diving
on the
board.
water hose.
I don't have to do that.
Okay, I'm getting the water hose.
You said that I don't have to.
No.
No, that's
I'm
not
getting the water
fair.
hose.
Okay, I'm going. That means I have to get out though.
Okay.
2 minutes.
You can only stay out for 5 seconds.
1, 2.
No, that's not fair. What's how I get over there?
5.
Well, let me get out of the way. I don't want to get
This
splashed.
is not fair. You said I don't have to jump off this. Wait. You said I don't have to jump off.
Go.
Hurry.
We want to see it dive.
$1 left.
Come on, Brandon.
Oh.
Is it cold? Oh, shit. I heard that, Brandon. He said, oh, shit.
I didn't have to God.
Yes, you did. I got it on video camera. You're in trouble. Go get in the towel. You got a towel? Are you used to it yet? Huh?
3 minutes.
No.
Fast.
We got,
It's been 3
we got
minutes.
7 more minutes.
You're not even halfway there.
No, you're not. I said
No, you said every minute extra I get more money. Every
I did. You said that.
You did.
every minute extra.
Because
I
you
get
said you're
another
probably
dollar.
staying here for 2 hours.
It's on video. Because you said it.
Well, whoever said it.
Okay, let me out. We'll give you $10.
No, I'll get money. I'll get more money.